Making $5,000 as a trader, it's really not that hard. In these markets, they will kill you. They will kill your account. It'll happen fast. You never fucking know. All right, now I know what you're wondering. Where's my microphone at? It's right here. Trying something different. Hopefully the audio sounds good. Let me know in the comments. But you're also here because you want to make $5,000 in 3 weeks as a trader. And spoiler alert, I'm going to teach you how to do that later in this video, right now in this video. And it doesn't take a lot of money to begin with. So stay tuned. So you want to make 5K in 3 weeks, but here's your problem. Okay, here's your actual problem. You need, oh fuck. You need money. It's as simple as that. You need money. You want to make money? You're going to need money. I'm going to give you a couple different ways that you can make money, or at least get to a specific amount to where it's going to be a lot easier to make that 5K from trading, because you're not going to just start with a $6 account and make $5,000 in 3 weeks. It's not going to happen. You need money first. So look, the problem that you're going to have is that you want to make $5,000 in 3 weeks. Making $5,000 as a trader, it's really not that hard. It's actually very simple, but to do it in 3 weeks, that's where difficulty comes into play. So we need a decent starting point. For me, what I'm going to advise you guys to do, get $1,000. I think if you have $1,000, you can turn that into $5,000 in 3 weeks. And I think you can do it pretty easy with the strategies that I'm going to give you later in this video. But again, $1,000 is a perfect starting point. I'd prefer you guys start there. So let's go into how you can get that $1,000 first. Here's a couple different ways. Number one, okay, sell your body. Now, this might not be the best option for all of you, especially if you ain't got that nice of a body, but selling your body can, on a serious note, 9 to 5. You don't want it. We all dread it. It sucks. But we've all had a 9 to 5. I've worked a 9 to 5. I'd have 2, maybe 3. I had 2 9 to 5s, Taco Bell and Little Caesars, and I was really good at both. Actually, I was gonna get promoted to like the chief top of the line, obviously. Best at whatever I do. Really good at making pizzas. Not so much at tacos. But again, a 9 to 5 is a suitable way to make $1,000. If you gotta go apply for a job, you gotta lock in. Make some money, save some money, and then start this process, then do so. Click out of this video, go apply for 9 to 5, go get your money, and then come back. You need the money, so, I mean, that's one way to do it. Now, number 2. Now, this is my favorite option. It's what I did as a young kid to make a lot of money. I mean, people now do like Amazon FBA and all this other whatever shit. But I like to go to, I'm gonna write it first. I like to go to the Goodwill. I like to go to garage sales every weekend. I don't do this no more, obviously, that'd be fucking weird, but I go to garage sales, I'd go to the Goodwill, I'd buy products that I know can sell for more than what they're asking, I'd lowball the shit out of them, get even less than what they want for it, and then I'd go sell it for more on either eBay. You could do like OfferUp, Craigslist. You might get fucking killed if you do it on Craigslist, but you can do it, just make sure you go in the daytime. There's all kinds of different ways to resell product at what the value is of those products, just make sure you buy them cheap. So I'd go to the Goodwill, for example, and I'd buy old sports cards, I'd buy t-shirts, vintage stuff, vintage phones, things that collectors want. I'd buy them super cheap, lowball everybody, and then I'd go and sell them for more, and I'd make money off of that. I had profit, and I would take that profit, invest in the trading accounts, and then compound those accounts as well. So that is another little option for you guys who want to make some money. Realistically, what I'm getting at is, because none of this really matters, there's no excuse. There's no excuse for why you're not making money, why you don't have ways to make money. There is a million ways to make $1 million. You just got to find them, and they're really easy to find. Problem is, half of you guys don't want to look. Start looking. You will find ways to make money, and you can get $1,000. It's really not that hard. Go through your mom's couches. You might find some change in there. That was one of the options that I remember. Oh my gosh, $10,000. See, fuck all that other shit I just said. Just go through the couches. You never know what you might find. You never fucking know. Yeah, Ryan, go ahead and write, I'm not that good at numbers, so go ahead and write all that stuff down for me. And afterwards, I'll give you credit too, don't worry about it. All right, now that I just hand wrote all of this for you guys, I'd like to first say, so if you save I wrote it, I just forgot. $33 per day for 30 days, you have $1,000 saved. That's weak shit. You can do that much faster. Like double that, you do it in 15 days, triple that, it's a week. Like $33 a day is really easy. Just get you a job. Go sell some fruit or something. A lot of different things that you can do. You know, going back to my first option, selling your body, you're making a lot more than that per hour. So $1,000 saved, that's great. Now, I want to break down what to do with $1,000. Well, the first thing that you'll need, my handwriting changed right now, it's weird. First things first, you need a good strategy. I have the best strategy. It's a perfect strategy. I don't charge for it. Go to my other YouTube videos. You literally can see how I trade. My last video literally shows you guys how to trade for free. So go watch that video. If you don't know how to trade, you need a good strategy. I give you the perfect strategy for this here. Go watch that. That'll help you guys out tremendously. It's really, really easy to trade. 2, Risk to reward is key. Here's the thing, guys. You have $1,000 and you want to make 5K in 3 weeks. You're trying to make 500% on your account in 3 weeks. That seems very, very unreasonable. It seems pretty much impossible to do, but it's not. I'm going to tell you exactly why. Now, let's say you have $1,000, okay? You use a really good strategy like mine, like the one I recommend, and you risk a 1 to 5 for every single trade, meaning, wow, this is getting real messy. Let me erase this. Now, what that means, right? Let's say you have your $1,000. You want to risk 25% of your account, which is kind of what you're going to have to do if you want to make $5,000 in 3 weeks. You're going to risk 250 bucks, okay? This is what you're risking. So if you're risking 250 out of 1 to 5, this is what you expect to make. This is what a 1 to 5 looks like. You're risking 250 bucks, which is 25% of your $1,000 account, but you're going for a 1250 win every single time you trade. Why this is key? You're gonna lose. Losing is normal. So if you take 3 losses in a row, $750 come out of your account, then you go and take just 1 win. 1 single win after losing 3 times. You're still at 500 bucks. Just in those last 4 trades, you'll still be at 500 bucks. It's very important, it's very key when flipping a small account and trying to make 5K. Here's what you need to make weekly to get to that 5K mark. 1667 weekly would equal $5,000 in 3 weeks. And as you can see, you're going for a 1250 win every single time you trade. With the strategy that I'm giving you, this is not hard. This is easy to get. We trade breakouts. We do them early in the morning, right at session open when there's a lot of volume. And 1 to 5s are not hard to find. They're really not. They happen all the time. Like I said, go watch my strategy videos if you guys want to see how I trade. But this is key. Like, this is your biggest key, and that's risk to reward. You're not gonna go in and go for 1 to 1s. Risk 250, make 250. You take 2 losses, 5 wins, you've made 750 bucks. And that probably took you a few days. You're not gonna get there in the 3 weeks. It's not gonna happen. You have to go for 1 to 5s. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Watch my strategy videos, you'll see exactly what I do. Now, I know a lot of you guys are thinking, this is not possible. These numbers seem way too skewed, there's no way. But I promise you guys, most of my students literally are doing this number in way less than 3 weeks. And if you'd like to be a part of that team, you can go to joincurrencycave.com right now to apply. Cannot guarantee that you will be accepted, but if you do get accepted, all these numbers are gonna seem a lot more legit and a lot faster. Just saying. And also, I'd like to mention that in the Currency Cave, I literally trade live every single morning, give my analysis. Everybody takes the trades with me. You can make money just by copying me. You're gonna learn along the way. It's kind of a win-win. I don't know, link in the description if you guys are interested. If not, that's okay, let's get back to it. Now, the last topic that I wanna talk about is psychology, and believe it or not, this may be the most important aspect of trading. Now, first and foremost, the market does not care about your feelings. Get a therapist if you want someone who cares about your feelings. The markets don't give a shit. They will shit on you, they will destroy you. It could be your last $100 and you need to feed your kids, and if you don't, everybody dies. The markets do not care. They don't, they're gonna shit on you. They're gonna take your $100. That's theirs, the bank's got it now. So just understand that. Feelings don't matter, leave those at the door. You gotta come in here robotically. That's the best way I can put it. Now, winning traders stick to the strategy. What do I mean by that? I give you one strategy only, stick to it, don't change it, don't add your own rules, don't try something different, don't add indicators. No, the winning traders don't do different things. They do the same thing over and over again. They stay consistent. That's the key. Be consistent, do the same thing every day. Stop switching things, stop trying new things and putting indicators in there. You wanna try new things? You can do that with your girl in your own time. We're not doing that when we trade. It's the same motherfucking strategies over and over again. It's as simple as that. Now, put a fucking asterisk next to this one. Revenge trading equals account death. That should have been in red, whoever wrote that. I think I wrote, I did all this, but then he came and changed it from red to orange. It's account death, and it's the truth. Once you go into the market and you lose money and you tell yourself,
I'm gonna go make that money back, that. I'm gonna make that back right now. I need that money, it's for this or it's for that.
You're done. Your account's over. Your life's over at that point. Like, you're moving back in with your mom. You cannot revenge trade in these markets. They will kill you. They will kill your account. It'll happen fast. Took a loss, that's okay. Tomorrow, come back, do it again. If there's another perfect setup, okay, take the trade. But don't go looking for setups that don't exist because you lost. That's revenge trading. You do not want to do that. And this one pretty much just goes right into the next point. FOMO is a setup, okay? You got a fear of missing out. I really want to get in. I really want to trade today. I really want to make money. It's a setup. Do not do it. Again, account death, same thing. It all goes into the same play. Let's not trade because we want to. Let's trade because the setup is there. Last and foremost, is that how you would say that? Last and last mostly, which is also mostly important, be patient and more setups will come. And again, this does come back right into this, okay? You got FOMO, you want to trade, you're revenge trading, it's a no. Being patient, waiting for more setups to come, that equals cash, 2 cash signs to be exact. You're gonna make money if you just be patient, let the setups come. Use a proper strategy, let the setups come to you, be patient. It's the only way to make money and be consistent in these markets. It's the truth. It really is. All the other shit's just gonna get you killed. Listen to me. Try this out, see how you like it, and when you see that it's making you a lot of money, I want you to come back and comment and say, damn, he was right. Also, if you don't subscribe to this video, everything I just told you doesn't matter. You're gonna have bad trading like for the next 3 years. Guaranteed. I'm putting it in the air right now, so make sure you subscribe.